Hey people, how are you all doing? Welcome back to my channel. This is Apurva. I am your dietitian. Today, I've come up with a topic called 5 brain boosting foods, and this is specially for kids. Brain development keeps happening in children rapidly. Parents try to involve kids to boost their IQ, buy expensive brain boosting games, toys, etc. etc. But the main important point which you have to remember is among all these things, including the healthy diet and the top 5 foods to boost their brain is also really important. So now let's understand about it. Firstly, eggs. Eggs are the complete meal which is loaded with protein and many nutrients. Adding eggs for breakfast enhances the concentration of kids in their studies as well as in their activities. Secondly, yogurt. Most Indians do not include yogurt as a part of child's meal plan, but including Greek yogurt can help brain cells in good form for sending and receiving the information. So include yogurt with some fruit slices as a part of snack, which sharpens the mind. Third, green leafy vegetables. Include spinach or any other greens at least weekly thrice, as these lower the chances of getting dementia in later life. You can either add it in the dal, curries or in your regular chapatis. Fourth, fish. Omega-3 rich food as well as a great source of vitamin D. It protects the brain from declining mental skills and as well as memory loss. So the more omega-3s, the better brain function and better focus. Add fish either grilling it or as a curry form, at least weekly once or twice. Talking about nuts and seeds. Most parents include nuts in their child's diet, but it is really important to add seeds too. Nuts and seeds are packed with protein, essential fatty acids, vitamins, minerals, which boost the mood and keeps your nervous system in check. And thus the child will not be lazy, moody, and he'll always be active. So add it in their milk or in smoothies. Now, as you have understood about the importance of foods in boosting the brain of kids, try to include them. And if you have liked this video, I don't need to say you all, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. And if you are looking for any customized diet charts for your kids, do contact Apurva's Diet Studio and the number is given here. So I'll come up with another interesting video next week. Till then, stay healthy, stay fit. Bye-bye.